The people of Israel had come so far out of Egypt through the wilderness. Now they stood on the edge of the land God had promised them. The land was right there just across the border. So Moses chose 12 men, one from each tribe, to spy out the land. For 40 days they walked its hills, tasted its fruit, saw its cities, and studied its people. When they returned, the entire camp gathered to hear their report. The spies carried grapes so large it took 2 men to hold them. They spoke of fertile soil, rich valleys, and harvests beyond imagination. But then came the but. The people there are strong, their cities are fortified, and some are giants we felt like grasshoppers compared to them. Fear spread like wildfire. The promise of God suddenly looked impossible. 10 spies said, "We can't do this." Only 2 Joshua and Caleb spoke with courage. They quieted the crowd and said, "The land is good. God will give it to us. Do not be afraid, He is with us." But the people listened to fear. They wept, they doubted, they even talked of going back to Egypt. And because of that, they wandered in the wilderness for 40 years until a new generation was ready to trust God's word over their fear. The story of the 12 spies still speaks today. It reminds us that what we see with our eyes can either magnify fear or magnify faith. 10 saw giants and gave up. 2 saw God and pressed on. The difference wasn't in the land, it was in their perspective. And the question is, when God calls us forward, will we see obstacles or will we see Him?